Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Maargdarshak Play School at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking subject English for you. Okay, we are learning what alphabets, children. Which alphabets we are learning? Which are easily traceable using curve lines. So these all letters we have learned. We will write once again all the letters in one paper. Okay, all these letters are using slanting lines. These all letters we have learned. Once again we will learn all these letters we will write together in one paper. Yes, together in one paper. Say which picture is this? Ball. B for ball. B for ball. Shall we write B now? Yes, see the board, you all know. Once again, if you see the board, you will understand how to write. Okay. See the board, one standing line, up line to down line. One standing line, up line to down. Second blue line down, second blue line. And one curve, yes. One curve P, yes. What is this? Capital P, no? One curve. One more curve, 2. What is this? B. B for ball. B for bat. Okay. Once again, shall we write B? Yes. One standing line up to second blue line and one curve. One more curve line, 2 curve lines. So what is this? Letter B. Very easy, children. Yes, if you practice, you will get it very fast. Once again, shall we write? Yes. One standing line from up line to second blue line, and one curve. Which letter is this? P, yes, capital P. Now shall we make it into B? Yes, one more curve. If you write down, it will be B. Which letter is this? Capital B. B for ball, B for bat, B for buffalo. Okay, once again shall we write? Yes. One standing line from red line to second blue line. Yes, one standing line. Then one curve, 2 curve. Without removing your finger, you should write one curve, 2 curve. Which letter is this? B. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. Now, what is this? Cat. Which picture is this? Cat. Yes. We will write now C letter. C for cat. C for carrot. C for cat. How to write cat? C. Very simple. One big curve. Yes. One big curve. Start from red line and touch the blue line. Start from red line and touch the blue line. What is this? Capital C. What is this? Capital C. Once again, shall we write? One big curve. Yes. Yes. Half curve. No? Yes. This is what? Full curve. Yes. O. Here what we are writing? Only half. Only half curve. Yes. Big half curve we should write. What is this? C. C for cat. Once again, shall we write C? Yes. See the board. Start from the red line and you should come to blue line, curve line, no standing line, no straight line, only curve line. C, capital C. Once again, start from the red line and come to the blue line, curve. See, which letter is this? Capital C, capital C. Come on, say C. C for cat. C. C for cat. C. C for cat. C. C for cat. Now, which picture is this? Duck. Which picture is this? Duck. D for duck. D for duck. D for dog. Now, shall we learn D? D also very simple. Draw one standing line from red line to blue lines. Draw one standing line from red line to blue line and a big curve. Yes, this is D. What is this? Capital D. For C, how we are writing this side? No, for D we will write that side. Okay. Yes, capital D. Once again, shall we write? Yes. One standing line from red line to blue line. One standing line from red line to second blue line. Yes, standing line. After that, one big curve touching the red line to blue line. What is this? D. Yes, once again, one standing line. Once again, one standing line and a curved line a curve. What is this? Capital D. Which letter is this? Capital D. Once again, one standing line. One standing line. Touch the red line and stop. Second blue line. Then one curve. One curve line. What is this? D. Capital D. Say D. D for duck. D. D for duck. D. D for duck. D. D for duck. Now we will write one more letter. What is this? Goat. G for goat. G for goat. How to write G? See the board, children. First you will put a curve. Yes, first you will put a curve. What is this? C. Yes, like C. Like C we will write. Then we will go up, touch this blue line, then sleeping line, then standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. Yes, one big C. One big C we will write first. Yes. Then we will go up and touch the blue line up. We will go up, curve. Curve line. Using curve line, we will go up and touch the blue line. First blue line, on the blue line, one sleeping line. On the blue line, one sleeping line. Then one standing line. Yes, this is G. What is this? Capital G. Once again, shall I show? See the board. One big C. Capital C you will write first. Yes. Then curve line you will go up like this. How is this? Like curve line you will go up and touch the first red line or first blue line. Touch the first blue line. On the blue line you will write one sleeping line. On the blue line you will write one sleeping line. Then one standing line, small standing line. What is this? Capital G. Now without lifting our hand we will write. See how I am writing without lifting my hand. One big C. Go up. Sleeping, standing. Over this. What is this? G. Capital G. Say G. G for goat. G. G for goat. G. G for goat. G. G for goat. Now, which picture is this? Jug. J for jug. Say J. J for jug. Jug is also very simple. See? One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. From between, draw one standing line. And when you are touching the blue line, make a curve. Yes, when you are touching the blue line, you will make a curve and go up. Yes. Once again, see. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. Then one standing line and a curve line. Standing line, touch the blue line, curve and go up. Yes, curve and go up. What is this? J. J for J. Yes, very easy, no? On the red line. On the red line, you will draw a sleeping line. On the red line, you will draw a sleeping line. Then you will come down straight, standing line. You will touch the blue line and you will make it a curve line. Yes, after touching the blue line, it will be curve. Yes, touch the blue line and draw a curve line. Once again, see. One sleeping line on the red line. Then one standing line. And when you touch the blue line, make a curve and go up. This is what? J. J for jug. Say J. J for jug. J. J for jug. J. J for jug. J. J for jet. Now one more letter we have learned. What is this? Which picture is this? Owl. O for owl. O for owl. How to write O? Very easy. One big circle. Yes. One big circle. One big circle. What is this? O. O for owl. Very easy, no? Touch the red line and second blue line and big circle. Big O. Yes, this is O. Capital O. O for owl again. Red line, blue line and go up. Curve. What is this? Curve line. O, we have only curve line. Touch the red line. Blue line and go up. Yes, what is that? O, capital O. Say O for owl. O, O for owl. O for owl. O for owl. Yes, these all letters we have written, each letter two pages. You have written B 2 pages. You have written C 2 pages. You have written D 2 pages. G 2 pages, J 2 pages and O also 2 pages. Yes, all these letters, I hope all have finished writing two pages. Now, today what will be your homework? These all letters, how I have written in one paper, in the same way you should write your homework. Understood children? 2 pages. How many parts you should divide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divide your paper into 6 equal parts. Ask your parents to divide your paper. Draw lines, parents draw lines and give to children 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts so that they can write neatly. Okay. In the same way how I have written on the board, in the same way you will write 2 pages is your homework. Understood children? All these 6 letters you should write in one paper and in another paper also all these 6 letters you should write very neatly. Now shall we read all these once again? Yes. Come on, say what is this? B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. G. G for goat. J. J for jug. O. O for owl. Once again. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Duck. G. G for goat. Giraffe. J. J for jug. O for owl. O for ox. Once again. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. You know all this now. You should only read children. Come on, say when I am putting my scale in that place, you should say which letter is that. Okay. Which letter is this? G. G for goat. J. J for jug. O for owl. Once again. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. G. G for goat. J. J for jug. O for owl. Okay, once again shall we read? B. C. D. G. J. O. Again. B. C. D. G. J. O. Again. B. C. D. G. J. O. B. C. D. G. J. O. Now read the pictures. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. G for goat. J for jug. O for owl. Once again. B for ball. Yes. C for cat. D for duck. G for goat. J for jug. O for owl. Yes children. Yes, once again. B. C. D. G. J. O. Again. B. C. D. G. J. O. B. C. D. G. J. O. B. C. D. G. J. O. What will be your homework? All these letters 2 papers. all letters to papers. Yes, these all B, C, D, B, yes, C, D, G, J, O, 2 pages. All these letters in the same way you should write 2 pages. Is it clear, children? Do your work very neatly. How you are going to write? You will touch the red line. All these are capital letters. So you will touch the red line and you will start. Yes, you will not use this fourth line. Only 3 lines you will use. And when you are writing, your handwriting should be very neat. When you are drawing the line, standing line, it should be straight. Yes, when you are writing standing line, it should be straight only. Don't draw slanting lines. You should write very neatly, slowly. Don't write fast. It will be dirty. Your handwriting will be dirty. So, your handwriting should be very neat. Clear means you should write slow and very neatly. Yes, understood, children? You will touch the red line and you will end with the second blue line. All these letters, 6 letters you should write in one paper. In other paper also all these 6 letters touch the red line, and when you are writing you will say B. B for ball. When you are writing C you will say C. C for cat. When you are writing D, you will say D for dog. When you are writing G, you will say G for goat. When you are writing J, you will say J for jug. When you are writing O, you will say O for owl. Is it clear? Do your homework neatly, children. Thank you.